Hey guys, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. And today I'm going to get my Lazy Susan ready for Christmas. I took off the pumpkins that I had on there for the fall, for Halloween and Thanksgiving. And now I'm going to put a tree in the back, Santa up in the sky, and Santa Claus is coming to town. So if you are enjoying the videos, I would love some thumbs up and a share. And if you're on YouTube and would like to see more videos like this, just hit the subscribe button. Okay, on to my Lazy Susan, and I'm going to turn on some music. Okay, enjoy. Okay, so that's it. So if you would like to do this, which is so much fun, then just go to my website, chalkcouture.com/Cherie Criswell. I want you there. You can browse around, shop, or join and become a designer like me. Have fun. Bye.